What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is Tuesday morning here. Take a look at the NASDAQ. Yeah, yesterday was crazy. Internet was going off, on, back and forth. I did end up taking a couple of trades at night towards the close and it worked. Got stopped out on a few of those and then made a bunch back at Globex. If I switch over to that, yeah, the count's back up to about 50,067, so we'll let that chill. So we're gonna trade a different account here today, this morning, and then we'll start with that again tomorrow morning. But yeah, looks like we're good this morning here. Internet's fine. A little bit of a later start for me here, so let's wait, let's watch, let's see if we can find any good setups and trades here today on the NASDAQ. See you guys on the first trade.
Order filled.
Grab this long here off this 15-minute candle, closing above the main 1145 candle here. New 30-minute as well, closing within that previous candle. We've been red, got our first green candle here. See if we can make a turn on this and continue a little bit of an uptrend here. So far, just pushing lower off this. Coming into the low here on that 30-minute from 11 a.m. See if this holds.
Order filled.
Yeah, just straight up wrong on that one. I'll be honest, I was looking for a short with the trend, but the way the candle closed made me think maybe we could hold this here and then 30-minute also, but yeah, realistically, if we closed under 30,530, I'd have been interested in that open and pop higher and then a short back lower with the trend. Yeah, that one just did not work at all there. Just continued selling right now. Let's wait, let's see if we can get another entry here, potentially a short with the trend. We'll see what sets up for us here.
Order filled.
Tagged in short, watching this for potential breakdown here under that support level. People have their stops and watching to see if we can actually break the low of day on this.
Order filled.
I'm gonna grab another one there, close underneath. See if we'll have the momentum now to push lower off this.
Order filled.
Pushing back up into that level right now. I'm gonna add one on that. Taking that push lower. Let's see if we can break down.
Order filled.
There we go, tagged in there. Tightening stop.
Order filled.
Pushing back up there. We'll see. I mean, my stop was a lot tighter. Coming back over that level. Just holding in this area right here so far. Now pushing back into it.
Order filled.
Call me crazy. I'm going to take this long off this. I don't like to jump right into another trade. I like the open. I like the position on the 2-minute, 1-minute. 2-minute open, closed. On over this low here, back into that 463.50.
Order
No,
filled.
stopped out on that. That was bad. That was instant. Bang, bang, stopped out short. flip long, stopped out on that. Maybe I moved stop too tight there. Pushing up a little bit here. Yeah, I moved stop too close on that. Yeah, I like that the setup there for the long after we closed above. That sucks. I moved stop up to about half risk, looking for it to really hold at 463. It's nearly 30 points right there, pushing up to 500. Instant trade on that off the short and then flipping, but then moving stop up. That's tough. I don't know. I'll have to go back and watch that and see. Take a look there. New 5-minute candle. Yeah, that was a 5-minute. This previous candle, 1, 2, 3. This previous candle closed within the low of this candle. Yeah, I do really like that long there. Just moved my stop too tight, I guess. Let's see what else sets up. I'm still looking on the downside. We're putting in higher low as of now. I mean, we'll see. Is this going to put in a higher high up here? Or is it going to roll over and continue this downtrend here? I would think we would continue the downtrend. So ultimately we'll look for another short maybe in this for it to roll over. Let's wait until this 5-minute closes and see what happens.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try it short off that. Even though we dropped down first, I typically don't like to see that. So far, respecting the levels here. 15-minute rejection. 5-minute came up, basically tapped its breakdown candle low as well. The 5-minute's gonna close here in about 10 seconds. See if they can close it over the high of this 1235 candle. The high is 494.25. Looks like they closed right on it. See if this thing pushed up first. Green, and then we want to see it flip red off this. You're going to be watching right around here for a potential hold. We'll see what they do here. It might move stop down. Want to see it eclipse this low here, 446. Two key levels to break, 446 and 407.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm going to take off 2 there. I forget that I have 5 and I can scale out some. At least I got a couple out there by the low. This we got them out about 454 and 455, so basically at the low on this wick we got 2 out. Was waiting for more to take out as we broke 46, which we never got. New hourly, new 30-minute here. Watch if we retest into that 500 level. Now holding it again there at that level. Those 450s proving pretty strong here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take one there. I really wanted to get another one out after we drop below. Got 2 left. We did get that drop though back into that 450. Pretty big 1 minute candle there. You've got to be kidding me. I mean, how many times are we gonna hold this? Madness. 450s and 460s rejecting that previous candle low. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. Here we go. Holy moly. Can we not break this? What is this 450 level? Not even a crazy level on the chart. Just intraday today. Come on. Oh, technically we broke.
Order filled.
All right, whatever. All right, we got out our second there. Second to last. Got one left. We're going to trail this. We're going to look for in the 360s here. Trail this down here. Put it over that candle. See if we can get that continued push. Break the low off this. There we go. Some selling coming in. What if this candle goes green there off that? God forbid we get a clean breakdown and just it's like, oh my God, look at this candle, the strength coming in. You gotta be kidding me. Unbelievable.
Order filled.
All right, taken out of that. One trade brought us back to green, up 85 bucks on the day. I'll take it. I'll take it. Good trade. I always go back and like I record this, you know, obviously I post on YouTube for everyone, you know, hopefully you guys can take something away from this journey. And then I go back and review myself the trades, tagging it in my journal, things like that. Try to get better here. And touching on, you know, there's some good comments, you know, the other day asking about strategy or, you know, a lot of losses, what's going on. And I noticed a lot of my trading previously has been discretion, and albeit it's been pretty good with discretion, since starting the channel again, I'm really trying to force myself to stick to a system and be very specific on trades that almost a bot could trade it. And I'm watching trades in my head while I'm sitting here that I would have taken before that end up working off discretion, but I can't put a specific on an entry or the setup or why. So I'm working on that. So some growing pains along the way of trying to stick to a very specific system strategy, and just working on that. So happy with the results today. I'll take 85. I'll take a green day on this. It's not really about the dollar amount. It's just trying to execute cleanly and getting better and better every day. So hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I enjoy making them, and yeah, we'll see you guys again tomorrow. Trade well.